Hey guys, this is the large mystery box through Laura Lee Los Angeles Cosmetics, or whatever you want to call it. Don't know. So excited. So first, of course, you get a nice big bag. And oh my god, these bags are amazing. This is what it looks like. It's a nice bag that you are able to take and great for trips. I love these things. I love cosmetic bags all the time. So here's the next item I'm going to get. Here it is. I'm so excited to see what it is. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. Oh, it's a Whimsical Nudes. I do have this palette, so give me a second. This is my lovely used palette that I have. This is what it looks like. Nice nude shades. Very pretty. Look at this. I'm excited. Next is the her Z palette, like magnetic palette. I'm so excited. I don't have this, so I'm definitely going to use this as well. I also got some lippies, which is Old Rose, Skimpy, which I do not have. Must be because it was hot. That's pretty. Cabana, hold on, which I don't have either. Her liquid lips are really nice. That's a really nude shade. Some of these shades are kind of blushing and spicy pink, which I do have these as well. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'll let you all know. Next thing is my last item. So excited. I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Did I already have one of these? Hold on.